Hey everyone, this is Tripped Over. Today, you can call me Mao Zedong, and today we're going to be resuming the fantastic game of Deadbolt, the Bolts of the Dead, Night Out. So last time we ended, we killed Mr. Roland. That was pretty fun. Wait on. Bam, so we're going to sit down and talk to the flames again. The flames roar to life. Mission, pale moonlight, touch. Knowing vampires flock, find out why. Vampires, tall but dead, said to be formed by betrayal from a lover. They're much more dangerous than zombies. I'll have to make sure that every shot counts. Mission unlocked. Intel. Dancing vampires won't notice your presence unless you shoot them. Mirror. Look upon your reflection, said the fireplace. Remember that you are different. You are not undead. Okay, so now, last episode, the vampire guys are pretty much introduced. We're done with all this vampire. So next one, 1,000 Years Royal. Ooh. So, Night Out. The vampires are running a club. Find out why. Drug ring. 100% drug ring. Oh Jesus. A Grim Reaper. Are you joking? Okay, so I don't have an issue unless I shoot, right? Oh, never mind. Okay, so it lied to me. Very much lied to me. God damn it. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Wait, I wanna know. Okay, so I actually show up in the mirror. You're just like, fuck this, I'm out. Ooh, dang it. Okay, so the bottom of the club, I'm good then. Get wrecked, bitch. Okay, thank God. What? That doesn't do anything. Okay, so you know what? We're gonna do our same tactic. Oh. Okay. You know, I made a mistake. I did not see him there. Come on at me, bench. Yep, get wrecked. Next. Next. Bam. He did. Come on. Another one. Another one. Another one. He did. I kind of don't want to go up there. Oh. Oh. Fuck that. Yep. God damn, they are sneaky motherfuckers. Got the gun. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. So let's go up here. Enter. God damn it. Oh fuck. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, got him. I don't want to get... Got him. Wait, look, we're doing good now. We got some sick jams, though. Okay, ooh, drug. What do I do with these drugs? Well, you know what, whatever. There's a tape, though. Okay, take that. Got a fester on this. Go down here. Bam. Don't want to mess with that. Go down there. Damn it. Get wrecked, bitch. Got him. Okay, got him. And, oopsie. Okay, got him. But god damn, there's so many there. Oh, wrong door. Fuck! Damn it. Okay, I'll be right back. Get back to where I was. Wait. And we're back. And as you can tell, it was quite a little bit of bloodbath, but we're good. Wait, oh, there we go. Find information. Okay, safe. You open the safe. There's a match inside. Look, there are 2 envelopes. First one. Second one, I mean. The envelope contains a date 2 weeks from now. And an address. The address of this club seems important. Check to complete. Check the first one out. Envelope. The envelope just holds money. Probably club earnings. Can I guess I can't take the money. Oh well. So onward we go. Okay, I'm not gonna kill them. I could've, but I'm a merciful reaper. Night out. 9? Not bad, not bad, not bad. Probably like 3. Called it. But you know what? I'll take it. It's money. We did good. How much? Ooh. Ooh, I can almost hit the Reaper Scythe. Sit down. The flames roar to life. Mission. More, so many more. So many corpses who forgot to die. Mission unlocked. Intel. Shotgun weapons are the strongest near doors and entryways, where enemies can't react until it's too late. Wait, what? Okay, whatever. So now I got the vampire horde to take care of. Oh wait. Lux and... The vampire's numbers are worrying. Thin it out. Huh. Oh, there's a lot of them. Never mind. I read that wrong. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Okay. So, hold on. Oh. What? Oh. Okay. Whoopsie daisy. God damn it. Wrecked. Come at me, bitch. Afraid of nobody. Come at me. Come at me. Fuck. 2 bullets. Oh, there's no fucking way. Vent. God damn it. The toilet. No way. Okay, so I'm not left with many choices. I'm left with no choices, god damn. I need a weapon badly though. Fuck. Yeah, we're dead, guys. We're dead. Fuck. Wrong button. Okay. Whoopsie daisy. So you know what? We're gonna do this smart. They are all on the toilet. God damn it. Okay, we got this, guys. 100%. I've thought out a beautiful plan. We're going to explode. Or not. Okay, never mind that plan. Forget that plan. That plan was not the wisest. We're going to explode out. We're going to gently knock. Fuck. Okay, never mind that plan. Plan Alpha Maneuver K. Knock on. What? Wait. 100% tryhard mode. Bam. Okay. Wrecked. Oh fuck. Wait. Wise maneuver. Fuck. Get in there. Get in the toilet. Okay. Going to run. Okay, we can't stealth him. We can't stealth him, guys. But what we can do... Okay, we can't do that either. Fuck. God damn it. I think we're dead again, guys. But you know... Yep. Okay, guys. Not gonna lie. I've been doing this for just a little bit. But you know what? After all my many failed attempts, after everything, I figured it out. Bam. Punch. You gotta hit that guy. Bam. Run straight to the crowd. Don't kill any of these guys yet. They're useless. Kill her. No. Leave no evidence. He dead. Kill him. Dead. No games. Dead. I'm leaving. No Evan is here. Okay, next, you gotta come after this guy right here. Right here. Bam. Slaughtered. Killed. Prey dead. Okay, next you do the strategic Wumbo Dumbo maneuver. And you're gonna go in this vent over here. You go bam, 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 bam. Oh, wait a minute. Bam, kill her first. This she doesn't affect anything. Okay, I have wasted approximately 1 bullet. Yes, 1 bullet. Okay, ready? I want to shoot this guy at 1 kill. Fuck. Oh fuck. Okay, I've wasted ammo. But you know what? Not that big of a deal. Okay, he's dead. Oh fuck. Okay, you're gonna wait till this guy makes the foolish mistake of coming through that door. Wait, never mind. We're gonna wait till they come through this door. Right here. And they will. Oh, I know they will. Okay. Oh, I could have ran. No. I can wait. Fuck. If he comes through here. Okay, he's dead. He is dead. Game over for him. Now I wait for that motherfucker to come over here. Come here, boy. Come on. Come here, boy. Fuck, I'm gonna be waiting here all day if I do. Okay, he's coming. The moment he's dead, slaughter him now. Fuck. Damn it. Okay. He was the guy in the toilet. Okay. Damn it. I want to go at him, but... Let's kill these people. See? Fuck. Wrong door. You fool. Oh, I could sneak up on him. I could do it. Fuck. Oof. We're in a heap of trouble, guys. A heap of trouble. Damn it. Okay, damn it. Come on, buddy. Okay, I don't think we could egg him into coming here. Oh, fuck yeah, he's coming now. Motherfucker's alerted. And you know what? I'm done playing. Come at me, motherfucker. Come at me, bruh. Bam, dead. Another one bites the dust. Come on. This guy right here. Come on. Okay, we're gonna do a risky maneuver here. Okay, we can close that door. We close that. Wait, where'd that one guy go? Oh, what? He's dead. Beyond it out, dead. Come on. This guy. 9 more targets. Fuck. Okay, I have 1 more shotgun shell left. God damn it. Moment. Fucking dead. Okay, egg him into coming here. See, it's all about egging him. It's all about egging him in. 8 more. I can handle. 8 more. Come on, moment he fucking goes through that door. Dead, instantly. No more games. Assault rifle time. Okay. The door, get wrecked. Fuck, it's a lot of them. Okay. Come on. Okay, she's dead. Pick that up. Ah, fuck. Just let him over there. Okay. No fear. Knock. Dead. No games. 100%. Any of them make a fucking mistake, it's game over. Damn it, I have only 2 left. Okay, make a mistake. No mistakes now. Bench got wrecked. Okay, if I can egg him over here. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, fucking hammer time.
100%. 2 targets left. We can do this. Just really gotta fight Ty. I'll be pissed. Which I'm gonna miss now. Get wrecked, bitch. Whew. Okay. We've come all this way. Fucking dead. Another one. Dead. Ooh. That was a bit of a pain, you know? But man, it's a victory well worth it. And I think we did our godly duty today, guys. Let's see. Lux and 10 Timbers. Ooh, it took quite some time. I deserve that. The scythe. Okay, but I think that's enough for an episode. We're just gonna sit. And, no, we're just gonna sit. We're just gonna sit. And, yeah, we got quite a bit done. It's been a successful day. We died a lot, killed some vampires, and I think we had a good time. So hope you enjoyed. Good night.